Well, that way. Dub, you can't film this
Damn it, Dub.
Dub, you cannot film this
You'll thank me for this, Andrew. You will.
This is riveting footage.
You will.
Lori's gonna love it. Don't talk about my mom.
I said I'm sorry, mama.
I love ice cream. God damn it.
I don't know what I'm doing with all these numbers.
Hey, what's up? I'm Mike Posner. Posner Worldwide Tour. Hopefully everybody's getting amped up for it.
Is there a reason you keep taking off your glasses and then putting them back on?
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a f*** if that's your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the X, so get into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the X, so get into taking drugs.
It's what then?
It's her name, if that works.
And what's her name, Durs? She had a name, dude. And her name.
Where's Roberta Paulson?
Her name.
Where's Roberta Paulson?
Her name was Roberta Paulson.
Her name
is Roberta Paulson.
Rule number 1. Always go to the fiddler.
Oh. No. Alright, I'm done filming you. No. Oh, kind of damn.
It's time to party, let's party. Hanging with yourself and have a crazy party. Hey you, let's party. Have a killer party and party.
Whoa!
Don't even try and deny it. We're gonna have a party tonight. And you know we're gonna do it tonight. We're gonna lose it all when we go in the night. Party, party. It's gonna be a party tonight. Dance in your mind when it's time to earn your
That was a night.
Woo!
tempo, yeah.
You know what, brother? It may be raining, but we're ready to do some sightseeing. I got my sightseeing sandals on. I'm ready.
Whatever.
And what we're doing is eating a pizza mia. Now it has bacon, it's got cheese, it's got a friggin' huevo, which is Spanish for egg, on the pizza, which is Spanish for pizza.
Where are they? Okay. Sexy.
We got everyone wrote, everyone's right.
Swinging! Just swinging.
Okay, we're in Copenhagen right now. It's 4-ish in the morning. It's sunny. We don't care. We have pizza with bacon.
We raged all night, brother.
And eggs.
With some Swedish babes, what can I say? I'm Michael West. I'm the Cinnamon Roll Express. We're going round and round in Budapest. I'm the king of the world. That dawn we make for the north, and we get the queen back. I got you on my arms today. Don't worry, Andy, you know I got you. We're going around and around in a little whirlpool of action. We're gonna go faster. In the morning, we ride. Oh, my arms can only take so much. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my. Hold on. I put the team on my back, go. Whoa.